Our main product ranges include air conditioner, refrigerators, and washing machine. We export 5 million products to more than 100 counties every year. We have testing laboratory which approved by TUV, SGS from product safety, performance, durability, reliability noise, energy test to vibration test, to provide 100% good quality products to our customer. And we have excellent R&D team. We have professional engineers which have decades experience of the products. They are all come from the big and famous factory. Meanwhile, our main parts and component supplier are high-quality suppliers. They also supply for famous brand like Haier, Midea. Good raw material supplier also make assure high-quality products. Meanwhile, we supervise the quality in the whole production process. Also, we set 3 major quality control links: incoming parts inspection, production process inspection, and finished production inspection. Finally, our quality department set up a quality improvement section, which is specialized in contacting customers, solving users' quality issues and complaints, analyzing quality information, and improve quality. Our R&D research team always improve design and end structure inside. We reduce cost through constantly self-innovation. Meanwhile, every year, we export 5 million units, so large production can reduce production cost. Especially when we purchase raw material, cost reduce accordingly because of large production. We hope more and more customers can become our partner, and together we can do the win-win cooperation.